Chapter 9 Data Processing. Learning Objectives. Understand data and information. Represent information effectively. Organize and sort data. Learn coding and decoding techniques. In this chapter, we will learn about data processing, which involves organizing and sorting data to create meaningful information. Data and information. Data refers to raw facts and figures that are not yet processed or organized. It can be numbers, letters, symbols, or even images. Data by itself does not have much meaning. Information is data that has been processed and given meaning. When data is organized or analyzed, it becomes information. For example, data, raw facts, unprocessed, for example, 200, Mohit at the rate. Information, processed data, meaningful, for example, Mohit score is 200 in the test. Tidbit. Information is more valuable than raw data because it helps in decision making. Organizing data. When data is properly organized, it becomes easier to understand, analyze, and use effectively. Methods of organizing data. 1. Tables. Data is arranged in rows and columns. 2. Lists. Data is listed in a specific order. 3. Charts and graphs. Visual representation of data. 4. Databases. Data is stored in a structured format. Databases. Databases store large amounts of data in an organized way, making it easy to retrieve and manage. Example: a library database might include tables for books, authors, and borrowers. Each table is linked, allowing quick access to detailed information. Sorting data. Sorting is the process of arranging data in a specific order, usually ascending smallest to largest or descending largest to smallest. Sorting can be applied to numerical data, alphabetical data, dates, etc. Numerical sorting. Before sorting. After sorting. Ascending. Alphabetical sorting. Before sorting. After sorting. A to Z. No more. Excel and other spreadsheet software have built-in sorting functions. Coding and decoding. Coding. Coding is the process of transforming data into a different format using a set of rules or a code. This helps in secure and efficient data transmission and storage. Coding is used in various applications, from sending messages to storing data on a computer. Letter coding. Letter coding involves substituting letters with other letters or symbols according to a specific rule. Example 1. Shift letters. Rule: shift each letter by 2 places forward in the alphabet. Data cat. Coded ECV. Example 2. Reverse alphabet. Rule: replace each letter with its opposite in the alphabet. A becomes Z, B becomes Y, etc. Data dog coded WLT. Example 3. Vowel to number. Rule: replace vowels with numbers. A equals sign 1, E equals sign 2, I equals sign 3, O equals sign 4, U equals sign 5. Data apple coded 1 ppl2. Example 4. Alphabet position. Rule: replace each letter with its position in the alphabet. A equals sign 1, B equals sign 2, C equals sign 3, etc. Data bag coded 217. Example 5. Caesar cipher. Rule: shift each letter by 3 places backward in the alphabet. Data hello coded ABL. Number coding. Number coding involves substituting numbers with other numbers or symbols according to a specific rule. Example 1. Additive code. Rule: add 5 to each digit. Data 1234. Coded 6789. Example 2. Reverse number. Rule: reverse the order of digits. Data 5678. Coded 8765. Example 3. Multiply code. Rule: multiply each digit by 2. Data 4321. Coded 8642. Decoding. Decoding is the process of converting coded data back into its original format. This allows the data to be understood and used. Decoding is essential for receiving and interpreting information that has been transmitted or stored in a coded format. Example: if cat is written as FTW in a certain code, how is dog written in that code? Solution rule: shift each letter by 3 places forward in the alphabet. So dog is written as GRJ. Example 2. If hello is written as is fool in a certain code, how is world written in that code? Solution rule: replace each letter with its opposite in the alphabet. A becomes Z, B becomes Y, etc. So world is written as BLIOW. Example 3. If guitar is written as HVJTBS in a certain code, how is piano written in that code? Solution rule: shift each letter by 1 place forward in the alphabet. So, piano is written as QJBOP. Example 4. If 5791 is written as 3579 in a certain code, how is 8423 written in that code? Solution rule: subtract 2 from each digit. So, 8423 is written as 6201. Example 5. If 1234 is written as 4321 in a certain code, how is 5678 written in that code? Solution rule: reverse the order of digits. So 5678 is written as 8765. Example 6. If 1357 is written as 2468 in a certain code, how is 2468 written in that code? Solution. Rule. Multiply each digit by 2. So, 2468 is written as 4936. Example 7. If 8642 is written as 4321 in a certain code, how is 2468 written in that code? Solution rule. Divide each digit by 2. So, 2468 is written as 1234. Chapter Essentials. Data refers to raw facts and figures that are not yet processed or organized. Information is data that has been processed and given meaning. Organizing data involves methods like tables, lists, charts, and databases. Sorting data arranges it in a specific order for better understanding. Coding transforms data into a different format for secure transmission. Decoding converts coded data back to its original format for comprehension. Various coding techniques include shifting letters and replacing vowels with numbers. Decoding uses specific rules to interpret the coded information correctly.